All right. So, in my previous episodes, I talked about combining lots of my work into this master monorepo using Cursor yesterday. And I also had a bunch of template apps where I demonstrate some new concept. They are all deployable, they have some basic UI and navigation and router and store. Um, today I am working on two things. One is asking Cursor to update this React app only, the template app, to use the latest dependencies and then use Tailwind CSS4, which needs a little migration, but I have already done it once for another app, so I'm asking it to just follow the same patterns we tested yesterday. And the next step after updating this app to be the best, latest, and the greatest, I want to use this app as a test app to test a new um, big thing I have been working on, and that is building an auth system. So, a library of auth, like these four, okay? A library, a collection of libraries of auth, which works with different providers. So providers are Auth0, Clerk, Fusion Auth, Stitch, WorkOS, and I might add a couple of more to it, like um, Supabase or Firebase, maybe. So my idea is in the second phase is to build out this system, this auth system, to have a unified library for my own apps where I can just choose one or another provider and don't have to worry about how to implement that functionality. So some of them, for example, have uh, let me show you. Some of them has UI components. They provide UI components. So for example, for sign in, sign up, you can integrate those components into your React app. While others do not provide, they redirect you to their UI, their hosted or managed service. For example, Auth0. Whereas Clerk, Stitch, and most others provide UI components you can build your own screens and flows with. So I decided to combine them all here and do a research on them. Clerk, Stitch, Super Tokens, Dscope, Alchemy, Supabase, WorkOS, Auth0, and Fusion Auth. Those are my options. And they provide B2C components like sign in, sign up, buttons, user profile, password reset, password change, MFA setup, stuff like that. Well, Clerk provides all of them, Stitch provides some of them, Super Tokens also the same, Dscope is almost the same. So these three are in the same category. Then Alchemy provides some less than that, Superbase provides a few, and then the last three are redirects. So they host their own UI and redirect you to there. Once authentication is successful, they redirect you back to your app callbacks. And then some of them also provide like multi-tenant um, organization based UI components for organization switcher while you are logged in. If you are part of more than one uh, organizations, tenants, you can switch. For example, you are a freelance content creator, work for two different companies. You want to switch your organization. That's cool. Organization profile, like checking how many users you have. Oh, that's in the members. Yeah. So all of that happens, and not all of them have every right. So my goal is to fill in those gaps using my system, build custom components or dynamic custom components which can be provided to my applications in lieu of where it's not available. Let's see how this system goes, how I implement it. I will be updating you all in my next episodes on this, but this is the plan. Phase one is to handle React and then continue on this plan with Cursor. So I will be having more episodes about it. See you soon and happy Thanksgiving.